the OBD2 scan tool, just going to plug this here. You're going to plug this into that port that's in your car. It's like going to be like above your pedals or below your steering wheel. Like sometimes there's a case over it, you have to like pop the case off. You have to be able to get to it without using tools, and it has to be within 50 centimeters of your steering wheel. So just like get down on your knees and like have a look up there above the pedals. You should be able to find it. Plug that straight in. Now once that's plugged into the port, you do need a hook to it, so it is over Bluetooth. So search for the device. Now obviously once you find it, click OK. Type in 1234 for the password. Now it should come over here. That means we are paired to it, so that's what we want to see happening. Then on the device itself, there's obviously car scanner here, which is like an OBD2 app, or there is also talk down the end here. We will just run through car scanner. You can fill in all the stuff here. It's going to allow all the permissions. Now basically get to here, click on the settings here in the top right, and you want to go into connection. To connection, Bluetooth, that's fine. We want to see OBD2 in here, click on that. And you can choose your connection profile. So if you, so in the car here, you can type in your car and it will come up like Nissan or Toyota. We're just going to do OBD2 Universal here. And we go back to our home screen, click on connect, click on next, apply. It's taking us through those same settings. It's going to come up here. Now you're going to get first, it's going to try out Bluetooth to the OBD2 tool. Now once it's connected to that, it's going to try and connect to the ECU. Yeah, it's going to be connected successfully. There is plenty of videos about this app on the internet and talk as well, but majority of people are going to be interested in the dashboard up here, diagnostic trouble codes. Yeah, you can see all data and stuff like that as well, but just for an example to show you, that's it, engine RPM one. Obviously if we adjust the RPM, it goes up and down. We're just on a simulator here, so that's why I was jumping around a bit. That is so basically it, how people are going to use it. We have some more videos about how you can set like alarms and stuff in here, but that's how you connect it and get it all working.